First, open Task Manager. Open Task Manager. Go to Performance. Then Memory. Here you can see the current amount of RAM installed in your PC. And this is the number of RAM slots in your motherboard. Here you can see the speed of your RAM in megahertz. To know what RAM type your PC using Download CPU-Z, go to the first link. Download the first one. Close the ad. Click on Download Now. I accept. Next, 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 install. Wait. Finish. Open it. Go to Memory tab. And in the Type section you will see what type your PC using. Mine using DDR4. And now to know how much RAM your device can handle, copy and paste this command to PowerShell or CMD or terminal. And press Enter. Copy this number. Open Calculator. Paste the number. Divide the number by 1024. Divide it again by 1024. And this number is gigabytes is the maximum capacity your device can handle.